Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do printhead cleaning on an Epson XP4105. So, from the home screen of the printer, we're going to use the arrow keys here and move along until we get to maintenance. Then we press OK. And the second option we have here is printhead cleaning. So we're going to go into that. Press OK to carry on. Now this will take just a minute. And what your printer's done is forcing fresh ink into the printhead and kind of dislodging any dried ink that you'll find there. And I recommend running this process when you've got missing colours or stripes on your prints, anything of that nature. Now with this finished, the printer will now automatically give you the option of printing a nozzle check. And what that is a page like this, which gives you a breakdown of the four colours and has some quite fine detail on here. So if you've got any kind of missing bits on this gate-like pattern, that'll indicate kind of small lines across your prints that you might be experiencing. If a colour's completely missing, you've got a colour missing, and larger gaps for larger stripes, things of that nature. So I'd recommend doing that to check the results of your clean, but hopefully yours is looking as good as mine after doing that cleaning cycle. From this point, if print quality issues remain, you can keep going in circles, doing more cleans, more nozzle checks, until you're completely happy with the print, or to at least diagnose the issue you're having. But that's about all there is to see. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please do give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.